Okay, part B of my test, guys. So new battery, I've got the SQ underneath, so I won't be recording to the actual quad this time. I'll be recording straight to the SQs, just so I'll have it on screen so you guys can see the SQ in action attached to the quad. Okay. Not too sure, guys, what's going on there, but it's a bit finicky to take off. But, oh, is it going to lift the... oh, it looks like it's having a bit of trouble lifting that camera. Okay, no, we're there again. Stuck it on number 2. Yeah, my Idea 7 that I recently burnt has no drama lifting this, so I thought it'd be fine. It's a much bigger drone. So, back on number 1. You guys look at that sitting down there, looks pretty cool. Okay, let's go up for a bit of footage. I'm going to put it on number 2 here, only because I want to try and control it. And the wind's blowing it around a bit, so let's see if we can go over here. A shot of those trees. Yep, up we go. Might be going bushwhacking in a minute if I lose it. Yeah, look at the wind. Oh, yeah. Oh no, don't go over there. I do some strange things, don't I? Yeah, I can't see anything because of the sun. Oh, have a look at it go. Yeah, don't let this one get away from you, guys, on speed number 2, because where are you going? Alright, be wary, guys. This thing tends to have a little... she's a bit stubborn. It's got a mind of its own. It just takes off and goes up and down by itself, and yeah, look out, guys. Careful with this one. There we go. It's just going up by itself. What have we got going here? Oh, it looks like it's doing what it's meant to be doing. Okay. Go out down here on the oval. What could possibly go wrong? Yeah, when you change speed, just let it sit for a couple of seconds and let it think about what it's doing, because it tends to go a bit crazy. Right, I might incorporate a bit of a range test with this one. Oh, yeah, she certainly goes pretty quick. Yeah, it's actually having trouble with that camera on board, believe it or not. It's strange. Now, so far, guys, out of 10, I'd give this one probably a look. Probably give it probably a 7.5. It's not as nice as to control as I thought it would be. It tends to run and drift by itself. Not much wind here, but you need to really be sensitive of your controls, otherwise it just takes away from you, goes away from you. Look at that. Oh, yeah, okay. And I suppose you could call that a crash. The battery was fully charged. I'm not sure if it's the little SQ that's making it behave like this, but there is calibrations that we can do. I think our battery's getting low here, so it's all over the place, isn't it? Yeah. Certainly not a drone for super steady photography. There we go, she's going down. Look at that, there's a bouncer. We have a bouncer. It's official. This one is a bouncer. I might need to play around with some trimming adjustments. They could be out of whack because I did play with them all to start with, so yeah, I'll look into that further. So don't write off just yet. I'll do some more testing on this, see what's going on. Anyway, I'll do a couple of laps around here, then we'll land it. water the sky and it's not really going up. It's a bit doughy, a bit dull on the response, but of the sticks, but oh. Oh, careful. Yep, second crash. I could be getting low on batteries. I might land it now. I don't want to destroy my camera. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Little EACHINE E32 and one key return and land. Yeah, we'll see how the footage turns. Initial thoughts, yeah, it's pretty good. Having this camera on the bottom messed it up that time a bit. Certainly don't fly in any wind. Next video I'll do some flips and rolls and see how it performs and that. I'll do a time test for the battery. So stay tuned. Yeah, thanks for joining me. Hope you had a giggle. Thumbs up, drop us a comment, and catch up there in the sky. Bye for now.